nalulong sa masamang bisyo. At ang una mong nilapitan, ang iyong inang lumuluha. At ang tanong,
Anak, ba't ka nagkaganyan? Because, of course, Leeuwarden is only 40 minutes, right? 30 minutes. In Amsterdam is 1 hour, but if it's 1 day per week, you can also choose Amsterdam. In Holland, you go to a respectful shop to buy
this one is just displayed along the road.
along the road. Weird.
Which one do you like? Traffic sa Cebu.
Sayop siya ni dagan mo si president. Congresswoman man tira yung asawa niya sa Sarangani.
Congresswoman ba?
Ora. Si Pacquiao, senador. Sige pa ba kayo sa senador?
Oh, senator pa rin ata eh. Hashtag love. Mabatid. Ilike sa
Balik
konseho.
siya away, kontra siya batan mo niya may dungog sad, malisod siya. Katsiyo siya sa hangin ba?
When is the fight?
Another new building. Galleria Cebu. You can search in Google.
I am searching.
Oh. But it's funny because I haven't heard it in any news.
It came in the news stream this morning.
Maybe probably not on the local news yet. Let's see. I'll be there to carry you. I'll be there. I'll be the rock that will be strong for you. Someone that will hold on to you when you feel like you're falling down. The hotel?
I don't think so.
That's a new Radisson. Ah, okay. So it's not this one. It's the old one.
Yeah, it must be this one. Amir Khan.
So they're both retired, right?
It's still negotiations.
So it's not sure yet.
It's not confirmed yet.
Si American di ay di nakadaog niya ay.
Kinsa si Amir Khan?
Oo.
Kinsa di kadaog si Pacquiao?
Si American di nakadaog.
Si Amir Khan.
Hindi man na siya likuan. Murag kuan man siya gyapon na siya under gyapon ni Freddie Roach, American.
is also on the road.
He said,
Murag under.
Maybe.
Freddy Roads, Coach Freddy Roads pa.
But he also already retired in 21. I don't know what's wrong with those people.
Beautiful and sweet.
Oops, mobile phone on the motorway. That's an expensive one in Holland also.
Yeah.
That is 18,000 peso.
If you get caught. Every 100 meter is Shell station, Petron station, and Jollibee. Only in the Philippines. Nangisilip ka sa mundong ito, laking tuwa ng magulang mo, at ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. At ang nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ang gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog ko. Sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong nanay.
Maalis ang kanta.
Paborito niya.
Okay na, kuan man mo na sigawas ang kanta. Bisa mga Korean na mo, kuan man.
Oh.
Ang kanta Freddy Aguilar anak.
Sa gabi
Pero tinuod ba yung
napupuyat
na
ang
history?
iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo.
Paborito kaya niya.
Sa umaga na may kalong ka ng iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Daan pang mga araw at ang landas mo'y naligaw. Ikaw ay, do you still remember? Nalulong sa masamang bisyo. At ang una mong nilapitan, ang iyong inang lumuluha. At ang tanong,
Anak, ba't ka nagkakanyan?
ba't ka nagkaganyan? Ha?
Why are you doing this? Cebu doctor
Chonghua
is
Hospital.
almost at the bridge. Well, nice and quiet, huh? On a Saturday.